This is the Ford F-150 2015, 2020, 13th generation, and a lot of people ask what does it mean if the dashboard throws a spanner warning light. This is not a service reminder as you may find on the internet. It's not true. It's not a service reminder. It's the powertrain control module fault. And the best thing to actually learn what's happening with the car is to go down here, find an OBD port, which is this black one, and use a scanner for the OBD port to locate the problem, to locate the issue, because it will give you a code, and when you know the code, it's pretty easy to understand what's happening with the vehicle. But in a lot of cases, it's something pretty easy, such as intake leak, dirty air filter. So replace the air filter if it's dirty, if it hasn't been replaced for a long time. Also find some possible leaks. If you have something, some hole here in this plastic and rubber, maybe some connector is bad here. So find some leaks. Find some leaks in the turbocharger pipe. If you have one of the fasteners broken or disconnected or not sitting in a place, this is the problem. And actually throttle body problems are often the culprits for the spanner light. It's not always the four-wheel drive light, as many people say. It's actually like a check engine light, and you will need to inspect just simple things in order to just make sure it's not a dirty air filter. And then the best solution would be to use inspection with a scanner. And when you know the code, it's pretty easy to understand what's wrong with the car.